Hi friends, I'm Sarah and welcome to Primrose Lane Prims. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. I hope you'll stick around for a while by hitting that subscribe button right there. If you love high-end home decor and DIYs on a budget, then this is the place for you. Today I have a really great DIY for you guys using Dollartreediy placemats. You won't know how beautiful this turns out. You wouldn't believe a placemat could look so great. Anyways, without further ado, let's get crafting. For this DIY, I'm going to be using these placemats from the Dollartreediy. Now, these are their Christmas ones from this year that just came out. They say peace, love, and joy. They have a bunch of different types though, but these were the ones that really caught my eye that would match my decor really well. So to start this out, we're going to turn these over. We're going to pick a place in the seam here, and right here by the tag's a great place because it's already kind of good. Tag's right there in the way, so a little bit of separation already. And we're just going to cut part of the seam here open so we can get inside of it. As we look at these placemats, see they're double-sided like this, and they're really easy separated. And in case you haven't guessed, I'm going to cut this open, stuff it with some stuffing, and make some really cute Christmas pillows out of it. If you have a seam ripper, it is very helpful to pull out these little stitches. But if not, just anything that'll kind of wedge underneath there. Every season I usually get one of the Dollartreed's placemats, and I make a set of these to go on my front porch on my swing, and they're perfect for on the porch outdoors. I mean, they're great for indoors too, but this kind of silky, this lining, this material holds up pretty well outside, especially on a covered porch. As you can see now, I can pretty good to get my hand in there. And I'm going to use some of this pillow stuffing or the Poly-fil fiber. You could use an old pillow. You can get the Poly-fil fiber that they have at Walmart or any craft store. But an old pillow works great too, and sometimes can be a lot cheaper. So once you get that open, all you gotta do is just start stuffing it. Be sure to reach down in there and get your corners stuffed really good. Dollartreediy has some really cute placemats out this year. I had a hard time choosing which one to pick for my new porch pillows. Once you get your pillow stuffed, we want to close this up. And you can do this one of two ways. One is you can use hot glue to glue this down. There's actually fabric hot glue that you can get. Some of you might already have it and use it. If you're somebody who sews, a quick stitch will sew that right up, which is what I'm actually going to do because I've got kids, and well, kids are always hard on pillows, so I'm going to stitch it up. But the fabric hot glue, I've been told works really, really well. If any of you have ever used it, let me know how it holds up. Like I said, I've always kind of avoided it because I've got 4 kids, so my pillows tend to get tossed around, thrown on the ground a lot. I need to be able to toss them in a washer, and I've always worried that the fabric hot glue would come loose. But if you've ever used it, let me know. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think on it, if it's worth giving a shot, if it tends to hold up or not. I'm curious. Guys, this does not have to be perfect if you decide to stitch this up. This is just some simple stitches, nothing fancy. You do not have to be a seamstress if you want to do this. I most definitely am not, as you can probably tell. If you wanted a nice, straight, perfect seam, if you had a sewing machine, that would be the way to go. Let me just tie that up there. What do you think? Now the seam, I mean, it's not perfect. This is just a little hand stitch seam, but it blends in. If you wanted a super straight, perfect seam, if you broke out a sewing machine, would work. But I kind of like the hand stitch. It gives it that touch of character. And I'll do that for both of these. And voila, they are both done. And I think these turned out absolutely beautiful. And the great part, 2 pillows that cost me $1.50 each, plus some old stuffing that came out of an old pillow I wasn't using anymore. So now they will be on my porch, on my swing, and I don't think anybody will know they didn't come from a store. So that's it for today. I hope you liked our DIY using Dollar Tree placemats. If you plan to try one on your own, leave me a comment, let me know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So until next time, friends.